In this video, I will show you how to contact Lyft Support. So first of all, open up your Lyft app from your device, and from there navigate to the three stripes at the top left, and from here scroll down and then click on Help all the way at the bottom above Settings. And once you click on Help, you will basically see every help section that there is inside of the app. And there are a lot of them because let's say you click on Lyft ride and payment issues. Let's say you have a problem with this. You're going to click on this, and then there are a lot of options that you can click on. So this is really specified. And in most cases, your problem will be listed inside one of these sections. So you can just go ahead and select the one that is suiting your problem and covering your problem. So you can just go ahead and do that. You can also click on Getting Started and Frequently Asked Questions in here. That is also really handy and solves a lot of the problems. And if there was, for example, a safety issue or an accident, you can click on Report Safety Issue or Accident all the way at the bottom. And for the rest, you can just use one of the options that are inside. You can also click on the option at the top right. And this is when you are in a support chat with Lyft. And when you click on one of these options, let's say charges and fees, and let's say we pick damage fee in here, then you can select an option to contact Lyft. And let's say you want to have a chat with someone from Lyft itself. Then you can just click on Contact Us in here, and then you can select this option Message. Then you can just submit a message, and then once you do that, you will have this message in your chat section in here, as you can see right now, and then someone from Lyft will reply, and you will be able to chat with a person from Lyft. So you can access the chat all the time at the top, as you can see in the support chat history, but you can also click on this option, and then you will see it in here. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.